The 369 manifestation method was one of the first exercises I discovered when I initially came across the law of attraction back in 2016. But before we move into how to use this technique to manifest, can I interest you in a little history lesson to begin? Now, where are my glasses? Let me introduce Serbian-American inventor Nikola Tesla. Tesla, famed for not only his inventions such as the remote control and the Tesla coil, but also his spiritual enlightenment, noted the numbers 3, 6, and 9 as being divine numbers, and was quoted saying, "If you knew the magnificence of the numbers 3, 6, and 9, you have the key to the universe." Without moving too far into vortex mathematics, which is where the inventor excelled, Tesla had a theory which linked the power of 3, 6, and 9. When studying circles, 360 degrees, which is 3 plus 6 equals 9, he discovered that no matter how many times you divided one, the outcome would always be a 3, 6, or 9. He felt these three numbers held great significance in the universe, nature, and the human blueprint. It is said that the number 3 is a direct link to the universe, while the number 6 represents the strength we have in ourselves, and the number 9 helps to release feelings of negativity. Tesla was also quoted as saying, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, which are the three exact ingredients we use when manifesting." So how exactly does the 369 manifestation method work? This method I am introducing you to below was actually created by lightworker Corinne Yee, who combined Tesla's methodology with the workings of Abraham Hicks to maximize your manifesting potential. Step 1. Decide your manifestation. First of all, grab your journal and pen. You'll need these for the next 33 days. There is real power in taking pen to paper, so even though it might feel archaic in a digital age, I'd suggest writing rather than typing away on a laptop or phone. We are going to begin the process by thinking of one manifestation that lasts for 17 seconds, usually around 2 sentences long. But why 17 seconds? That feels like a number I've picked out of thin air, right? The readings of Abraham Hicks revealed time and time again the power of holding an affirmation for this length of time, with the brain taking 17 seconds to create the energy of the thought we focus on. For example, if we focus on the thought of love for 17 seconds, our brain then starts to create more and more of that energy, in turn, aligning you to that which you are claiming. Side note. Has anyone noticed that 7 minus 1 equals 6? Just call me Victoria Tesla. What could your manifestation be? This all depends on what you'd like to attract into your life. This technique has helped people welcome money, love, house moves, new jobs. The universe doesn't put a limitation on what you'd like to manifest, as long as it is safe for you, for others, and the planet. Start the manifestation with gratitude, add an emotion, and finish with the words, "into my life." For example, I am so thankful for the universe aligning with me to attract 10,000 pounds into my bank account, bringing with it financial freedom, joy, and excitement into my life. The key is to use words that amplify the emotion and energy you want to attract. As you can see here, I have used kinesthetic words such as freedom, joy, and excitement, which are words that you can really feel inside of your body. Another example could be, I am so thankful for the universe aligning with me to attract my soulmate, bringing with it a deep sense of love, happiness, contentment, and an inner peace in my heart into my life. Once you have perfected your manifestation, remember, 17 seconds is around the time it takes to write 2 sentences, and aligned your words to the energy you want to attract and amplify, it is time to start the first of 33 days of the 369 manifestation method. Step 2, journal 3 times in the morning. Take your journal every morning as soon as you wake up. Write your 17-second long manifestation that you have crafted out above 3 times. The key to success when manifesting anything is to focus on the feeling. Focus on the energy of what it is you want to attract and how it will feel when, not if, it enters your life. As your pen starts to script your desire onto paper, imagine the feeling of money arriving into your life and how you'll feel seeing it sat patiently in your savings account. Or imagine the love you'll feel when your soulmate arrives and you know with all of your heart they were meant for you. Now, release your desire and trust that the universe will work her magic. Start your day and do not hold on to your manifestation. We know at this point that as soon as you hold on too tight, your manifestation doesn't appear because the universe senses lack and desperation. Perhaps the key, if you struggle with relinquishing control, is to use this method on something you would like to attract into your life, but not something that means so much you need it to appear right away. Step 3. Journal 6 times at midday. The next step is midway through the day, perhaps on your lunch. Take out your journal again and write the same manifestation above 6 times. Again, follow the same process as before, immersing yourself in the energy of how it will feel, visualizing yourself being with your desire. I will often force myself to smile initially when I am manifesting, as this can trick the brain into lifting your mood and lowering stress almost instantly. A forced smile will soon become a natural one, especially as you write down your desire. Again, release and move on with your day. Finally, before bed, take your journal and write out your high vibe manifestation, but this time you'll do so 9 times, following the same method used throughout the day. The initial 3 scripts were to set the intention to the universe. The following 6 were to amplify them, and the final 9 are to set this manifestation in stone. By utilizing the power of the 3-6-9 manifestation method, alongside Abraham Hicks's readings on the power of 17 seconds and energy alignment, it is no wonder this technique has proved so incredibly powerful for so many people. Follow the 3-6-9 manifestation method for 33 days, 3 times 3 equals 9, or 3 plus 3 equals 6, and see what magic occurs. Tips for the 3-6-9 manifestation method. Be sure to speak in the present as if your manifestation is already yours. By using words like I will or I want, you're speaking to the universe as if you don't have your desire, which leads her to deliver more of what you don't have. Speak in the present and know that your manifestation is yours. It just hasn't arrived yet. As mentioned above, do not obsess over your manifestation. The how and when are not yours to consider. This is where divine timing comes into play, and trusting in the universe to know that when your energy is ready to receive your desire, it will be yours. If you reach the end of the 33 days and you are still awaiting magic to appear, do not give up hope. Release this into the universe and sit in the faith that it will soon be yours because you have claimed it. Be consistent. For this to truly work, you must set the time aside each day to write 3 on a morning, 6 through the day, and 9 before you go to sleep. Set an alarm so you don't forget, and make the time in your schedule to make this a priority. I promise you, you won't regret it. If you feel negativity or self-doubt creeping in when going through the 3-6-9 manifestation method, you'll struggle to match your energy to that of what you desire. Take some time when doubts arise to step away from the method and write down what these are. Are they truth or a belief? Can you control the doubt and change something, or do you need to release something you have no control over? Can you reframe it somehow? Manifesting money can bring blocks to the surface for people, so the key is to feel aligned to the total you would like to attract. If you struggle to sit in the energy of 10,000 pounds, can you sit in the energy of what it feels like to manifest 100 pounds? And do this technique over and over until you reach your total needed. Take time to heal yourself. Side note, if manifesting money is something you would like to really understand this year, then make sure you check out my money manifesting course right here.